AZ8314 Nutrient Conductivity Meter. Healthy plants begin with balanced nutrients. Conductivity is one of the key indicators to get it right. Most portable meters are too complicated, and pen-type meter is not applicable to my nutrient bucket. What can I do? AZ8314 Nutrient Conductivity Meter is the ultimate tool, designed for growers who want to ensure optimal plant health with ease. Button-free and auto-on design makes one-handed operation effortless. Slender and robust housing design allows user to mix and measure all at once. Widest measuring range from 0.2 to 6.0 EC, suitable for all kinds of hydroponic plants. Multi-scale display with EC, CF and ppm. No manual conversion required and no calibration required. Color LED bar design makes nutrient levels easy to read at a glance. Automatic temperature compensation ensures accuracy in every condition. IP67 waterproof, durable design for variety working environment. Powered by AA batteries, simple to replace, easy to maintain. AZ8314 Conductivity Meter is the perfect tool for nutrient monitoring in hydroponics, indoor gardening, agriculture and greenhouses applications. Balanced nutrients, healthier plants. It all starts with AZ8314 Nutrient Conductivity Meter. Combo pH and Conductivity Meter, PAR meter and CO2 controller are also available. AZ Taiwan Measure, your optimal choice.